Okay, so we're stepping back to do a little bit of algebra because what we have to do tomorrow, you need to remember this from Algebra 1. And in fact, in Algebra 1, I'm not sure how much you use the quadratic formula, but you need to be familiar with how to use both. Okay? And so we talked about this first stuff, these first couple of problems at the beginning of the year. So we'll go over one of these and then talk about how to solve by factoring, and then we'll talk about how to solve using the quadratic formula. This is the standard form for a quadratic. A squared plus bx plus c. A is the number in front of the x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant. Okay? And if you're asked to factor this, you're wanting to break it into two things that multiply together to give you that. Just like if you were going to factor 6, you could break it into 2 times 3, right? So if you're asked to factor, you're going to take this trinomial and basically break it into 2 binomials so that you can FOIL it. That's what just worked out. Okay? And so there's lots of different ways that it can be done, but I'm going to show you factor by grouping, and then we're going to talk about the shortcut when the coefficient is 1. Okay? All right. So I call this product of sum. Some other teachers call it other things. But you take and multiply the coefficient a times the c. Okay, so with a times c, and then your sum is your b, the coefficient in front of the x. So I call it product and sum. All right. So my product would be 1 times 10, which is 10, and then my sum is 7. Okay? And I call it product and sum because now I want to find out two numbers that multiply together to give me 10 and add together to give me 7. The product and sum, right? Multiply and add. Multiply together to give me 10, add together to give me 7. What would that be? 5 and 2. Okay. Now, if you factor by grouping, you take those two numbers and you go back to your trinomial and you break it into 4 pieces. You break this into 5x plus 2x. So that gives me x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Okay? And then you factor by grouping. You group the first two terms together, you group the last two terms together. You look to see what can you pull out of that first group, an x. That leaves me with x plus 5. Then I look to see what I can pull out of the second group, a 2. That leaves me with x plus 5. Then I say, okay, these have a common factor of x plus 5. So I pull an x plus 5 out, and I'm left with an x plus 2. Okay? So I have factored that trinomial into the two binomials that multiply together. Now, if the leading coefficient is a 1, there's a shortcut. I don't have to do this whole thing. That's only if this a is a 1. Okay? Notice that when I did the product and sum, see these two numbers right here, 5 and 2? I could immediately go and create 2 binomials of x plus 5, x plus 2. Okay? That only works if the coefficient is 1. Okay? So let's do these others with the shortcut. Okay? You still have to do your product and your sum. You multiply your a and your c together, which gives you negative 34, and then your b is negative 15. Now, I need two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 34 and add together to give me negative 15. What multiplies together to get 34? Even. 2 and 17. Okay, alright. 2 and 17, but you notice that the 15 has to be negative, right? So it needs to be negative, right? Negative 17. They have to be opposite signs, but sometimes part of the whole deal is just figuring out what the two numbers are, and then figuring out where the signs come from, okay? So they have to be opposite signs, and since the sum is negative, the bigger number needs to be negative. Okay, so I can immediately go and factor this into x plus 2, x minus 7. Alright, here's another one. What's my product? 36. My sum, make sure you get on the right signs. What's my sum? Negative 13. Okay, so what's going to multiply together together to give me 36 and add together to give me negative 13. Okay? So 9 and 4 is going to give me 36, but it's not going to give me negative 13. What do I need to change? Negative 9 and negative 4, right? Okay? So that multiplies together to give me a positive 36, adds together to give me a negative 13. So I can use my shortcut and do x minus 9 times x minus 4. Okay? So I factor. When doing this, when doing product and sum, don't ever forget about like the 1 and the number. Sometimes that's what you need to use. You have to just remind yourself. Sometimes you forget about that option. Look for everything but that. Okay, so why did I teach you factoring? Well, sometimes to solve a quadratic, I have to factor. Okay, a quadratic is an equation that has an x squared. Okay, it has a power. All right, and so sometimes you can factor. There's what's called the square, which will cover next year, and then they're using the quadratic formula. Okay, so we're talking about factoring first. Now, this one's already set up really nicely for me, but it could have looked something like this: 16x plus 48 equals negative x squared. Okay, anytime you have an equation, okay, and it's got an x squared in it, you want to get everything equal to 0, and you want to put it in descending order. So we've moved it over, so it's x squared plus 16x plus 48 equals 0. Okay? Alright, so then the next thing you want to do is try to factor like we did in those problems above. Okay? So my product and my sum, what's my product? 48. And what's my sum? 16. So I need two numbers that multiply together to give me 48, but add together to give me 16. Okay, 4 and 12, that would work. Okay, so this factors into x minus 4 x plus 4 and x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, so I just take those two numbers, x plus 4, x plus 12, and set them equal to 0. Okay, now I haven't solved it yet. All I've done is factored it. Okay. Now, do you agree that if you know that two things multiplied together equals 0, then either one or both of them has to be 0? Right. So to solve it, once I get it factored, I set each of the binomials equal to 0. So I'm going to set x plus 4 equals 0 and x plus 12 equals 0. And I'm going to solve it. Subtract 4 from both sides and subtract 12 from both sides. And those are my two solutions to the equation. Anytime you have an equation that's got the x squared, that means you have two potential solutions. It may not both work, okay? Those are the potential answers. Now, when does it not work? Okay? It doesn't work if when you plug it at the end and it's a geometry problem and it gives you a negative distance. Okay? That doesn't work. Just discard that. The other time it doesn't work is if you plug it in and somehow you got division by 0. Okay? You can have division by 0. Alright? We don't have to worry about this. That's probably the algebra 2. Okay. Alright? So, those are my two answers. Alright. So, it's like this up here. This wasn't an equation, though. This just asked me to factor. And this one, to solve it, I had to factor first, and then set factors equal to 0 and solve for x. Okay? Alright, here's another one. What's my product and sum? Look at the signs. Negative 24 is the product, and the sum is 5. Okay? So what multiplies together to give me negative 24, but adds together to give me 5? Negative 3 and positive 8. Okay, that will give me negative 24 to positive 5. Good. So this factors into x minus 3 times x plus 8. Okay, that's equal to 0. So I factored it. Then to solve it, I set factors equal to 0. So x minus 3 equals 0, and x plus 8. So I add 3 to both sides, so x is 3. Subtract 8 from both sides, x is negative 8. Okay? Alright, now, what do you do when product and sum won't work? Okay? You have to go and use old reliable. Okay? Do you all remember that from Algebra 1? Yes, you did? Anybody have this Stevenson? Can you sing the song? want to go and use this. I hate this. Some people love it. I hate it. But anyway, we're going to do it, okay? All right. So, here is my equation. It's in standard form, and I can identify my A, my B, and my C. So in this case, my A is 2, my B is negative 8, and my C is negative 9. Okay? And I have to go and plug it into my quadratic form. Okay? Alright, so if it says negative B, that means it's the opposite side. So it's like a negative 1 and 1. So this becomes a positive 8 plus or minus, and then you're going to do negative 8 squared minus 4 times A, which is 2, times C, which is negative 9, all over 2 times A, which is 2. Okay? Now, we can plug this into our calculator, but I recommend simplifying it first. Okay? That's a lot of mess to put in there, and you want to make sure that you put it in there correctly. Alright, so we have 8 plus or minus. Okay? And negative 8 squared is 16 squared. And then minus 4 times 2 times negative 9. There's an even number of negatives, so it's going to become plus. And that's going to be 72 over 4, which is 8 plus or minus the square root of 136 over 4. Okay, now what does this plus or minus mean? Okay, you do both, right? Because there's two possible answers, right? So you have to do both. You have to do a plus radical 136 over 4 and a minus radical 136 over 4. You have to be careful when you plug it into your calculator, because if you do it all at once, a couple of things. You do your calculator, you're going to have to put this together. So if yours opens with a parenthesis, you have to close it with a parenthesis. You also need to group the numerator in a parenthesis. So depending on your calculator, some of you will have parentheses here, and then on the outside. Or some of you, depending on your calculator, like on this one, sometimes you just have an arrow over and get out right. Then you would need the parentheses. Okay? So plug both of those in, we'll get some answers here, and then if you don't get it right, we'll see what's going on with the calculator. Alright. Alright, so you should have gotten 4.9 and negative 0.9. Ready to help?
Yes.
Okay, you have to put parentheses on the whole numerator. Okay? You have to put it, just like, look at the red thing. See it, look at that. Okay, all you have it is around the 136. We need it around the whole numerator. Oh, that's like this. Just use it as a little thing. Okay, but you have to get out of your it's also radical. So, radical. divided by. Okay. All right. Anybody else? Everybody got it? Okay. Let's do the next one. Okay, what's my A? 2. My B is 4. And my C is -3. Now, if it were me, I would try to do the factoring thing. But in both of these, if I did my A times my product would be -6. And my sum would be 4. There's nothing that's going to multiply together to give me -6 and add together to give me 4. So this is going to be what tells you that you've got to use the quadratic formula. Okay? Alright, when the product is summed up. Okay? Alright, so we've got -b. Okay, so -b, so that'd be -4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times -3 over 2 times 2. Okay? So again, I'm going to simplify it a little bit. -4 plus or minus, that would be 16 plus 4 over 4, which is going to be -4 plus or minus the square root of 40 over 4. So that means I have to do 2 problems, -4 plus radical 40 over 4 and -4 minus radical 40 over 4. If you're getting a syntax error, you're doing something that's illegal, like as far as the calculator is concerned. It's like division by 0, you can't do that. That would give you a syntax error. No. Now, one thing that you can do, you have to do that, put code plus N. Okay? But now, you get there, it's plus square root. And see it opens the parentheses there. You have to close this round bracket. Close this round. Okay. And then divide it by. Okay. Alright, so those are the answers that you should have gotten. If you don't get it, I'll come around and help you figure out what you're doing wrong. So I'm going to let everybody else get started. So